What are you doing?
Well, we finally got the water pump on. We had to replace some clamps, new fittings, which we showed you guys on the previous video. So now it's just trying to get everything.
You gotta pull that hose too, don't forget.
Oh yeah, that's right. Thank you, thank you. I'm so focused trying to get as much done as I can before I go to the doctor.
Don't be nervous about your pap smear, Scotty.
Shh! Stay in your corner. Good boy.
I'll pull this off real quick so that we can get everything lined up. And Xander will probably be taking over for me shortly. So I'm just trying to get as much done as I can so that when he does take over, there's not much left to do. So, but on that note, I know it's going to be a short video, but we're...
Well, and then we'll put, or I probably will, but we'll put the pulley on and then...
And the spacer, yep.
We'll put the spacer. So hopefully that'll give us the spacing that we need for the fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're going to try to clean these up, but you can't really get into the angles there, right?
Yeah, nope.
So. Anyways. Gotta get everything realigned.
Yep.
Made it move like a whole front of the engine to get belts off and the water pump.
If you could, sir. Get it back from me in a minute.
Anyways, we'll get back to you guys later.